Thank you. Myself, Ajay Salunkhe. So this is a really a very wonderful session. Looking at the content and what we learn, 2 days, and if we suppose look for like what we learn,
Hmm.
2 days covering this is really amazing.
Hmm.
Also, I was having some stocks and I'm having some stocks now as well. But the way to look at the chart, the way to look at the read the chart, that's that's what we learn here. I was not aware about how to read the chart whenever I was doing this trading.
Hmm.
Those chart was there, are there still now as well, but it's very difficult to understand from that. But the way Ashish sir explained, it's really a good thing, and it's really amazing session, and I really recommend everyone to attend this and any new one. This helps to boost the confidence. That's only I can say, because stock market is the kind of different stories, but to building the self confidence is very important, and this session will give the build the self confidence in you, whoever is attending. Thank you. Thanks for giving the opportunity to attend the session.
Thank you so much. Thank you.